This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about sandwich wraps, specifically these foil luxe insulated sandwich wraps. There are two sizes available in this fun newsprint wrap. You can see they're insulated aluminum wraps, and there's a 12 by 12 and a 14 by 16, giving you some nice options to wrap things like sandwiches and subs. These insulated wraps are perfect for keeping hot sandwiches and other hot items warm. They've got a grease-resistant lining that is perfect to keep oils and sauces from leaking through. I love these for wrapping up things like orders of wings or side dishes that you need to keep hot as well. So they're perfect for burger joints, sub shops, barbecue places, wing joints, or any kind of restaurant that has the need to wrap up hot foods. These are a wonderful foil insulated sandwich wrap.